Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp Meta AI not working. So if the WhatsApp Meta AI is not working on your device, here are some troubleshooting steps to help you resolve the issue. The first one, you need to check whether your WhatsApp version is up to date. You can go to the Play Store if you are on Android or App Store if you are using iOS, and you can search for WhatsApp. So if there is any update available, then you need to update the app because sometimes older version may not support the Meta AI functionality. And the second one, if required, you need to enable the Meta AI in the WhatsApp settings. So here, my Meta AI is working, so I don't have it on my settings. But you can just go to the three dots icon and go to the WhatsApp settings. Click on chats, and there will be shown AI assistant in here if your Meta AI not working. So if you don't see the option, it also may not be it also because the feature may not be available in your region or device yet. The third one, you can restart your WhatsApp and device because sometimes a simple app restart can fix a minor glitches. And to restart, you need to restart your device because the system reboot may help refresh the app and its features. And the fourth one, you can also try to clear the WhatsApp cache and data. You can go to the WhatsApp app settings on your Android phone. For example, you can just long press on it and go to the app settings by clicking on this info, and there will be the storage and cache. Now you can just tap on clear cache or clear data if needed. And after that, you can reopen WhatsApp and check if the Meta AI is working now. And the next one, you can also check your internet connection. So ensure your device has a stable and fast internet connection, as Meta AI requires internet access to function well. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue. The next one, you can also try to restart WhatsApp services. You can again go to the app settings and here tap on this force stop and reopen WhatsApp and check if the Meta AI is now functioning. And you can also try, if you are on iOS, to restart the App Store and app after updating the WhatsApp. And the last one, you can also contact the WhatsApp support. So if Meta AI is still not working, you can reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. Go to the WhatsApp settings, so open your WhatsApp. On the WhatsApp settings in here, you can click on help and tap on this help center, and then you can also tap on this contact us to reach out the WhatsApp support. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helpful for you, please do click on the thumbs up icon. If you still have questions, you can drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks. Bye.